Welcome to the Mining Newsflash with Trillium Gold, Tarachi Gold, Uranium Energy and Aurania Resources. Trillium Gold Mines is commencing an 8,000-meter drill program on its 80% owned gold center property. This is immediately adjacent to Evolution Mining's Red Lake mine. Trillium Gold operates the gold center property as an 80-20 joint venture with Rohstoff Resources. The last drilling program on the property was carried out by Rohstoff Resources from 2004 to 2008 and focused on ultra-deep targets beneath the southern end of the property, intersecting Red Lake mine mineralization at depths of less than 3,400 meters. Until recently, one hole was a record deep hard rock diamond drill hole at 3,411 meters. Trillium was granted permission to explore Gold Center in early February 2021, and all available historical data on the property has been compiled and drill targets defined for Phase 1 drilling. Trillium Gold has hired the former project manager for Rohstoff Resources drilling program, who will oversee the drilling. Gold Center is located just 350 meters from Evolution Mining's underground development at the Red Lake mine, where a 100,000-meter program is underway to explore extensions to the Kojenor and Red Lake deposits. The favorable Balmer volcanic rocks, which host several gold deposits at the adjacent Red Lake mine, were identified in drill core and on surface at Gold Center as part of the 2013 geological mapping program. If this prolific gold structure can be shown to continue on the gold center property and Evolution continues to be successful, this could turn into a real winner for Trillium, because then Evolution will be able to use these sites. We are excited, and Trillium shares are very cheaply valued for this and could even provide takeover fantasy in the future. Tarachi Gold has just completed its auger drilling program at its 100% owned Magistral mill and tailings project in Mexico. The program was part of the resource estimate and PEA being prepared by Ausenco Engineering. This is an important step towards the commissioning of the Magistral mill. Delays occurred due to the delivery delays of the Shelby pipe sampling system originating from the US due to COVID. However, the drilling work was carried out quickly, and all 37 wells were completed in less than 3 weeks. Results are expected by midsummer. Magistral is expected to start operations as early as 2022, producing 15,000 ounces of gold annually. In June, the San Javier concession is to be explored with a diamond drill program, where the first drill program in 2020 discovered almost 12 grams gold per ton over 2 meters and almost 5.4 grams gold per ton over 5.6 meters. The results are expected in midsummer and shall provide a good news flow. Uranium Energy continued to increase physical uranium holdings and uranium shareholdings. The company acquired an additional 200,000 pounds of uranium from US stockpiles. UEC's physical uranium initiative is fully funded by cash and now includes 2.305 million pounds of uranium from US stockpiles at a volume-weighted average price of approximately $30 per pound, with various delivery dates through June 2023. It also acquired an additional 1 million common shares of uranium royalty stocks to maintain its existing strategic ownership position in URC. The company completed the subscription as part of a recent board deal financing completed by URC, which included 6.1 million shares at a price of $4.10 per share for gross proceeds of $25 million. Following this closing, UEC now owns 15 million URC shares at an average cost basis of $1.09 per share. Well done, Armia. Following the completion of UEC's latest acquisition of physical uranium and shares, the company now has more than $115 million in cash, shares and physical stock. UEC is extremely well positioned to profit massively from the coming uranium boom. Aurania Resources reports a discovery of elevated silver-zinc grades in an outcrop over a distance of 2.7 kilometers at Tiria-Shimpia. Subsequent exploration work, together with ongoing channel sampling of mineralized strata exposed at surface, provided important information on the distribution of grade at surface within the 15-kilometer trend along which the Tiria-Shimpia silver-zinc deposit is located. This trend has recently been extended to a total of 22 kilometers following the discovery of a 7-kilometer long mineralized zone at Shimpia North. Within the 2.7 kilometers long mineralized zone, there is a 500-meter long segment of high-grade material of up to 73 grams silver per ton and up to 49% zinc. The high-grade mineralization is open to the north, where there is an outcrop gap of about 1 kilometer. In addition, high-tech metals are now present in the Tiria-Shimpia probes. Lab tests have revealed the presence of the high-tech metals gallium and indium in significant quantities in rock samples from the target area. Gallium and indium can replace zinc in the structure of sphalerite, which is zinc sulfide mineral, and sulfide zinc ores are an important source of these minor metals. They are rapidly gaining economic importance due to their increasing use in certain high-tech applications such as smartphones and solar cells, and concerns about security of supply reflected in their classification as critical raw materials. Gallium is used in gallium arsenide semiconductor chips, which are called GAAS, and its unique properties allow electrons to pass more quickly than in conventional silicon chips. It is used to support 5G technologies also. Next generation GAAS semiconductors promise a huge market. While they will not completely replace the existing semiconductor market, that's also for sure, they will ultimately make a big dent in it. The ability to replace silicon semiconductors, a $500 billion market by 2020, by the way, is an interesting future development. These new chips will also be needed for 5G. So far, sampling at Tiria-Shimpia has revealed maximum levels of 163 parts per million for gallium and 39 parts per million for indium. These high levels are associated with high silver and zinc levels in rock chip samples. It is still early days, of course, here, but it could be a massive upside to Aurania's value in the future. The company seems to be on the trail of something very big. My team and/or myself are or may be shareholders in the companies presented, and they are or may become part of the SRC Mining Special Situations Certificate. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.